Hello and welcome back. This is Laszlo with Nguyenhecklerproperties, your local Memphis friendly realtor, brokered by eXp Realty. So we're about to do another home tour. This gorgeous home behind me. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Like and subscribe and comment below so you don't miss anything. And if this is the second video you've watched, definitely like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. So we're about to begin and let's get started. Welcome to Cordova Luxury.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up.
Started playing chess in primary school. Anyone up for a game? Alright guys, that is the end of the tour. 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, gorgeous home. If you like what you saw, like and comment and subscribe below. Keep yourself updated for the upcoming content. Also, for those of you that have any questions regarding real estate, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, please do not hesitate. Go ahead and give me a call, email me, or text. That information is down below. Again, this is Laszlo, your friendly neighborhood local Memphis realtor with EXP. Thanks and take care. See you again.